It's a good evening here in Uganda, Africa. We have this recipe. We are going to prepare our rice. We will be adding milk to our rice, so stay tuned. Let's prepare our evening dinner. We are going to add in rice. It's just a dessert of the day. Let's prepare. We will first cook our rice, then after we will be adding rice to milk. We will be adding milk to rice. Then we are going to use our local oven to cook our dessert. Our dessert, is it a dessert? Not a desert. I'm meaning a dessert. So stay tuned. Let's watch our video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. And the returning ones, please, we really appreciate for the love. Continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows. Let's cook our rice. So let's cook our rice.
Sana.
So this is our milk. We have sugar there. We will be adding sugar, rice, and milk. This is our rice here cooking. Let's cook our evening dessert. And our oven is also there. So stay tuned. Watch this video until the end. After mixing all the ingredients, then we are going to bake it here for around 40 minutes. Then after, we are going to put our rice in the fridge. We will so our rice is almost now ready. It's now ready. We are going to mix milk and sugar. Meanwhile, our oven is also heating. So we've added 2 spoons of sugar. We are minimizing sugar. We don't want a lot of sugar to our desserts. Here is our oven. Stay tuned. It's a very delicious for the kids and we, all the people. Let's enjoy rice and milk. So our rice is now ready. Let's mix. That's enough. We are going to add in milk now. So that's milk. So our rice is there. We've added milk, sugar. Let's prepare our dessert. So as our oven is ready, let's add in our rice. We are using only 2 dishes. There will be enough for the family. So we are going to add, let's cover. So this is how we are doing it. We don't have electric oven. Let's use our local oven for the good results. So stay tuned. Let's cook our evening dessert, please. Rice, milk, and sugar. So as you can see, our oven is here doing a great job. This is our rice mixed with milk. Let's prepare our rice milk dessert. Stay tuned. As you can see, this is our rice dessert. So this is our outcome. So we are going to let it cool. Then after we put it in a fridge, we will be taking it when it's cold. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate. As you can see, our oven is here doing a great job. See you in another video. Bye bye. It's a Turkish recipe.